Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I just want to show you quickly the process of swapping out the flow switch for a Hayward Aqua Rite salt system and help diagnose to make sure it is the flow switch so you're not replacing the board that you don't necessarily need to. So stay tuned and let's go through the process. I guess this client's flow switch got vandalized. In fact, looking here, it got ripped off completely, and in fact the phone jack piece is still stuck up in there. So we're going to go through the process and see, get it replaced. And obviously we know the flow switch is bad here because it's broken, but this also will help you diagnose if the flow switch is bad. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we are at the board. Now you notice the no flow switch is on. People tend to think it's just the board automatically, but there's one of two ways. It's going to be a bad board or a bad flow switch. So I'm a big advocate of starting with the cheapest repair first. So we're going to take a new flow switch. We're going to keep it here in this cardboard assembly to keep it basically in the on position, and we're going to see if this works. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. See how it's starting to blink now? That's a good sign. And then within a minute, it should that no flow switch come turn off. So it's off now. So now we got some flow. Obviously there's some other indicators here we're going to address, but we definitely know the flow switch is bad in this system. So now we'll go ahead and shut this off here. Flick that off, because now we're going to go over here to the flow switch and just take this out. We're going to go ahead and remove that with this nice little crescent wrench here. So we're going to go ahead and just unscrew that, lefty loosey, and put the new one in. Alright, so we got the old one out now. A couple things to pay attention to the new switch. First are these directional arrows. You want to make sure that this is pointing in the direction of the water flow going back to the pool, which is that way. So that's the return line back in the pool. So we're going to, at the end of the process, we want those arrows pointing that direction. And then also you want to make sure it's threaded with tape to help seal it. For the life of me, I cannot think of the name of the tape, but we all know what this is, plumber's tape. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got everything installed. Hid the wires pretty well. There's no leaks with that running. And ran the wire up to here to the panel. And you see here, no flow switch is off now. It's generating and we got power. So it's working exactly like we want it. And hopefully it helps you guys diagnose and show you how to replace a Hayward flow switch. So hopefully everyone learned a little something and have a good day.